Okay, in this video what we're going to go over is how to figure out the measurement of a central angle or the measurement of an arc given that you have an entire circle worth of measurements. Okay, so in this particular circle, I forgot to give it one letter in the center. Let's call that point Z. Okay, and let's say that we wanted the measurement of arc UVW, or just UW. And let's say we wanted the measurement of angle TZW. These are going to be the two things that we're looking for. Alright, how we're going to do this is we need to remember that circles are comprised of 360 degrees if you go all the way around. Okay, if we add up all of the arc measures, not the arc lengths, the arc measurements, add up all of these, it's 360 degrees around. So let's see. I know that arc TU has a measurement of 30x plus 5. I know that UV, although there's nothing here, I've got the central angle, which is the same. This is 8x plus 9. From here to here, from V to W is 45. S to W, again, the central angle is at 7x plus 6. So this is 7x plus 6. Again, central angle is negative 5 plus 15x. So arc ST is negative 5 plus 15x. I went all the way around. Since I went all the way around, I know that all of those arcs are going to add together, and their sum is going to be 360. So I'm going to start anywhere I'd like. I'm going to add all of them together, and the sum should be 360. I'll start here, just because. 30x plus 5 plus the next thing, 8x plus 9. And it doesn't matter which way you go. 8x plus 9. I could have added the negative 5 plus 15x next. It doesn't matter. I'm going to add the 45 now. Plus 7x plus 6 plus negative 5 plus 15x. And my answer should say equals 360. I think I'm getting out of shot a little bit there. Yep, I'm just a little bit out. That's better. Okay. Equation's kind of long. So after you set this up, it's pretty simple to do. Just combine like terms and solve for x. So let's add up all the x's. I've got 30x and 8x, that's 38x. 30x plus 7x, that's going to give me 45x. 45x plus 15x, that gives me a total of 60x. Now to add all the constants, I've got 5 plus 9, that's 14. 14 plus 45, that's 59. 59 plus 6, that's going to give me 65. And 65 plus negative 5, that's like 65 minus 5. That's going to give me plus 60 equals 360. Alright, so I just combined like terms. This whole long thing just boiled down into this. Now this is easy to solve. We've done this a lot of times. To solve for x, you are adding 60, so to get rid of it, subtract the 60. You'll get 60x to come down. Your equals will come down. And 360 minus 60 is 300. Okay. Well, we still want x to be alone. So since x is being multiplied by 60, do the opposite. Divide both sides by 60. And you'll get that x is 300 divided by 60, which is 5. Okay. So we just have one or two things left to solve for. If we know that x is 5, well, we can plug it in. This is easy to solve. Since x is 5, let's plug it in everywhere that we can. Keep in mind we only need to solve for these two things. 30 times x plus 5. Well, x is 5, so this is 30 times 5, which is 150. 150 plus 5 means this arc is 155. The next arc, VU. Well, this is 8 times x, or 8 times 5, which is 40. 40 plus 9 is 49. We know that's 45. This arc is 7 times x plus 6, or 7 times 5, which is 35. 35 plus 6 is 41. And last but not least, 15, or negative 5 plus 15 times x. Well, this is 15 times 5, which is 75. 75 plus negative 5. It's like 75 minus 5. This is 70. Just to make sure that you're right, a good idea would be to take your calculator, make sure to add all of these arcs together, make sure it turns out to be 360. So just to double check, even though I'm pretty sure I'm right. 155 plus 49 plus 45 plus 41 plus 70 is indeed 360. You can see it right there if you'd like. And now we can answer these questions. I asked you for arc UW. Well, from U to W, this arc here. UW is made up of two arcs, UV and VW. So add these together, 45 plus 49. When you add 45 and 49, you should get 94. 49 plus 45 is 94. And last but not least, angle TZW. Angle TZW. Let's see, where is that? T to Z. Oops. TZW. It's a big central angle. Well, this central angle should be the same as its arc. Let's see. This arc is made up of these two smaller arcs, 70 and 41. 70 plus 41 happens to be 111. So this big central angle is 111. And that's it. This problem's done. Most of your central angle arc problems that happen to have to be full circle, they're a little bit longer than the semicircle ones, but it's the same idea every time. All right? If you have any other questions, either email me, ask me, or ask a friend. Watch the video again. Just let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll be sure to answer any questions, and I'll see you next time.